Hi, my name is Akhilesh Kumar. I have done my MSc in Zoology. I have teaching from since 2 years. Now today we will discuss about the reproduction chapter. In today's topics from the gametogenesis and its types. Today we will introduce about what is gametogenesis and its type. What is the spermatogenesis and, uh, and oogenesis. Firstly, we will know that gametogenesis is the two types. First is the spermatogenesis and second is the oogenesis. There is the two types of gamete, male gamete which is called spermatozoa, also called like sperm. Second is the female gamete, which is called as ova, ova या ovum. Now we will firstly talk about spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis is the formation of the sperm in the male. The spermatogenesis in the sperm is found in the seminiferous tubule. Sperm is found in sperm is produced in seminiferous tubule. We will show about you the diagram. This is the cross section of the seminiferous tubule. In the center there is a lumen. The outside of the seminiferous tubule is the Leydig cell, and this is called spermatogonium, and this is the inner cell is called Sertoli cell. This is the vessel lamina. Total, this is called as the structure of the seminiferous tubule. This is also the structure of the seminiferous tubule. Inner part is called the lumen and the outer part is called Leydig cell. All the body part is called the seminiferous tubule. Seminiferous tubule is the site of the production of a sperm. It consists two type of cell. First is germ cell, male germ cell. And second is the Sertoli cell. In the outside of the seminiferous tubule, there is present of the interstitial cell, which is also called as Leydig cell. Now we will draw the diagram of spermatogenesis. This is your spermatogonia. And there is mitosis is occurred. This both the diploid cell is undergoes a division, and this is called the primary spermatocytes. These primary spermatocytes also undergoes the division, which is called as meiosis first. This is your haploid cell, and this is also your haploid cell. This is called as secondary spermatocytes. Secondary spermato. This is called secondary spermatocytes. Now this haploid cell also undergoes division. This N, this is called spermatids, and total 4 spermatids is formed by the one spermatogonia. This is spermatids, and here is the meiosis 2 each occur. Now these spermatids are converted into the spermatozoa. Spermatozoa is, which is also called as the sperm. This is the spermatozoa, sperm. The conversion of spermatids to spermatozoa is known as spermiogenesis, not the spermatogenesis. This is called as the spermiogenesis. This is all the structure of the spermatogenesis. Now we will come on the oogenesis. We will come on the oogenesis. Oogenesis is the formation of oogonia, the female gamete cells. Oogenesis is the formation of oogametes, means the female gamete. Oogonia is converted means that no oogonia is formed after the birth. Oogonia is formed till the birth, not after the birth. Not after the birth. Now we will draw the diagram of the oogenesis. Here is also the 2N diploid cell and diploid cell. This diploid cell is undergo the division. 2N. This is called oogonia. This is called as oogonia, and this come into the meiosis first. Mitosis first. This 2N is undergoes the division. This is called as primary oocyte. This is called as the primary oocytes. These primary oocytes also undergo division. Yeah. Here the meiosis first is also occurred. Here the meiosis first is also occurred, and now this is the a small polar body. This is your large, which is also called as secondary oocytes. Secondary oocytes. Now the secondary oocyte also undergoes the division. This is called the meiosis first, and now this is also undergoes the division, which is called the meiosis second. Now also the second polar body. This is also second polar body is formed, and a large. This is large cell, which is also called as ovum. Ovum, yeah, which is also called as oogonia. Here the meiosis second is occurred. Now finally we got the ovum. This is the process total the oogenesis. Oogenesis is found, means oogenesis is initiated at the early embryonal development. Formation of ovum is till the birth, not after the birth. Now what will we study about today? At two types of gametes. First is male gamete and female gamete. Male gamete means the spermatozoa, a sperm which is found in the male, and second is the female gamete which is present in the ovum in the female. What will we study about the spermatogenesis? In the spermatogenesis, sperm is found in the seminiferous tubule. Seminiferous tubule has two types of cell. First is male germ cell, and the second is the Sertoli cell. Outside the seminiferous tubule, there is present of the Leydig cell, which is also known as the interstitial cell. Now we will draw the structure of spermatogenesis. The spermatogonia undergo the mitosis, and the first spermatogonia also undergoes the division. First, the primary spermatocyte is formed. The primary spermatocyte is also undergo the division under the meiosis first. Then we found the secondary spermatocytes. Secondary spermatocytes also undergo the division by the meiosis second, and the spermatids is formed. Four spermatids is formed by the one spermatogonia. Now the spermatids is transformed into the spermatozoa, or sperm. The conversion of the spermatids to spermatozoa is called as the spermiogenesis, not the spermatogenesis. Point to be noted. Now what will be the study about the oogenesis? Oogenesis means the formation of the female gamete in the female, and the oogonia, or ovum, is initiated at the early embryonal development. Note the oogonia, ovum is found after the birth. Oogonia is present only till the birth. Now we will draw the diagram of the oogenesis. First, oogonia comes under the mitosis. And which is formed of primary oocytes. Primary oocytes undergoes the division by the meiosis first. Then we get the secondary oocytes, and firstly we get a small polar body and the secondary oocytes. Secondary oocytes also undergoes the division, which is by the meiosis second. Then we found the second polar body and the ovum, which is also known as oogonia. Thanks.